Lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install sqlite on Windows 11 operating system. To download this software, in Google search box write the sqlite. Then you can get this org site, sqlite org site, click this. Then the new page that's open, click on this download. And here if I scroll down, this you can see this is for Linux operating systems, this for Windows or Mac operating system, and this is here for Mac operating systems. Okay, so here you need to use this SQLite tool. Click on this download. Sorry, click on this link. Here you can see the file is downloading. And now with this here zip file you can get here sqlite3 analyzer.exe command line shell sql diff.exe program and a bundle of command line tool for managing SQLite database files including this all. So you need to download this software. Okay, so you don't need all these tools, you need to use this. Tools bin 64-bit zip file download completed. Let's click on this open folder. After that right click and click on this extract all. So here extracting the software inside the C drive. So let's give here the name sqlite. Now let's click on this extract. The software that extracted, here you can see this files that's come there. So this is executable file sqlite3. After that the next is, let's close this all. Moving on this C drive, press S, then you can get here sqlite and copy this location right there, edit system environment variable, click on this environment variable, then here path is selected, click on this edit new, control B. So pasting this location, because this location here you can see sqlite3 is there. Now if I go on this command prompt and if you write there sqlite3, press enter. So here you can see this is version is now SQLite version 3.45 that install. And here this is the SQLite that's come there. So then you can, or this place you can create the database or do so many operations. And here if I go on this command prompt once again, if I write there SQLite, so here you can see sqlite is not recognized because here sqlite3 application folder is there. Now the next is, thereafter creating one directory, let's give the name Atom, and thereafter let's copy this location, and thereafter let's open their command prompt. So first here changing the location, that's done. And after that here write this place creating one database for SQLite. So write there SQLite3 and you need to give the database name. So let's give your database name Sony. Now press enter. So database that's created. Okay, and if you want to check the database, so you need to write here dot and write there database. So here, or you can see main, and here Sony database, that's I'm in the Sony database. There you can perform read and write operation. If I go on this item, here you can see Sony database that's created. Currently this has nothing. Okay, so this is the how we can create the database. So this is the most simplest way we can install sqlite3 or SQLite on Windows operating systems. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.